Hello, my name is Sophia. I am from Italy. I live in Rome, the capital city of Italy. Rome is a very old and beautiful city. There are many churches, museums, and restaurants. Many people visit Rome every year. I am 24 years old. I am a student at a university. I study art and history. I love learning about paintings and ancient buildings. I am proud to live in a city with so much history. I live with my family. There are 4 people in my family: my father, my mother, my brother, and me. My father is a chef. He works in a small restaurant near our house. He cooks pasta, pizza, and many Italian dishes. My mother is a teacher. She teaches Italian at a local school. She loves her students very much. My brother is 18 years old. He likes football and music. We often watch football games together. We are a happy family. On Sundays, we always eat lunch together. We laugh, talk, and share stories. I love my family so much. Our house is small but very cozy. It is in a quiet street in Rome. There is a living room, a kitchen, and 3 bedrooms. In the living room, there is a sofa, a TV, and many books. My mother loves reading, so we have many books at home. The kitchen is my favorite place. It always smells like food and coffee. Every morning, my father makes espresso coffee for everyone. My room is small, but I love it. There is a bed, a desk, and a small balcony. I can see the street and some trees from my window. I like to sit there and listen to music. Sometimes I draw or write in my notebook. Every day, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I take a shower and get ready for the day. Then I eat breakfast with my family. I usually eat bread, jam, and drink coffee or milk. After breakfast, I go to the university. I take the bus because it is near my house. My first class starts at 8:30. I study art history, Italian culture, and English. My favorite subject is art history. I love learning about Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo. At lunchtime, I eat with my friends at the cafeteria. We talk about school and sometimes about fashion. After class, I go home at 4 o'clock. I take a short nap and then help my mother in the kitchen. In the evening, I do my homework or read books. After dinner, I watch TV or go for a walk. I go to bed at 11 o'clock. I have many hobbies. I love painting. I paint flowers, buildings, and people. Sometimes I paint in the park when the weather is nice. I also love listening to music. I listen to Italian songs and also English pop music. My favorite singer is Laura Pausini. On weekends, I go out with my friends. We go to the cafe or to the market. Sometimes we visit museums or art galleries. I like learning new things about art. I also enjoy cooking with my father. He teaches me how to make pasta and pizza. Cooking together is always fun. My favorite food is pizza. I like margarita pizza with cheese and tomato sauce. It is simple but delicious. I also love pasta, especially spaghetti with tomato sauce. Sometimes I eat lasagna when my father cooks it. I like Italian desserts too. My favorite dessert is tiramisu. It has coffee, cream, and chocolate. I also like eating gelato on hot days. My favorite gelato flavor is pistachio. In Italy, food is very important. We always eat together with family and friends. It is a time to talk and share love. Rome is a beautiful city. There are many old buildings and monuments. The Colosseum is very famous. Many tourists visit it every day. There are also fountains, parks, and museums. I like walking in the city in the evening. The lights make everything look golden and romantic. There are many small cafes and gelato shops. Sometimes I go there with my friends. We drink coffee and talk for hours. People in Rome are friendly and love to talk. I am happy to live here. I have many dreams. I want to be an artist in the future. I want to travel around the world and paint what I see. I want to visit Paris, London, and New York. I want to meet other artists and learn from them. I also want to open my own art gallery one day. I want people to see my paintings and feel happy. I also want to speak English very well. I study English every day to improve. I believe learning languages connects people. If I work hard, I can make my dreams come true. I will never give up. This is my story. My life is simple but full of love and art. I am proud of my country and my family. Every day, I try to learn something new. Thank you for listening to my story. See you again next time.